Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Here are some helpful tips for you, right? So, first tip is put a very low shipping cost. Sometimes, since people are so used to free shipping, what I mean by this is a lot of people think that today free shipping is something very interesting, and I cannot argue to disargue. It's actually true. People would prefer free shipping to not free shipping, but this strategy or this tactic has been used a lot by people, right? And sometimes, just sometimes, it serves its purpose to not say free shipping, but to put a relatively low price as the shipping cost and use that, right? So next time you want to really differentiate yourself, try to do this. Try to put, let's say, a $2 shipping cost and see what the customers will do, as opposed to if you put free shipping. And also, this kind of differentiates you from the pack, because people are really doing the same thing. Everybody's just, free shipping, free shipping, free shipping. And people really have gotten tired of this free shipping, and they want to see something new, introduce something new. And also, to copy something or to copy what other people are doing, it doesn't make it special, right? It doesn't make it special. People think if I do that thing that person is doing, then it makes me special. No, it just makes you a copycat. But what really makes you special is when you take something that somebody else is doing, and when you take it and give some or put something new. I would say bring about an optimization or make it better, right? So take whatever they're doing and try to make it better in your own way. Add your touch, right? So next time, instead of putting free shipping, display a shipping cost of $1 to $3, and I can assure you it will have a far bigger psychological effect on the prospects than the effect it would have if you show them free shipping only. It's all about the psychological aspect of things, and when people are thinking they're getting something really valuable, they really tend to appreciate that. Now, of course, free shipping is valuable, and some people, I have to tell you, the only reason they shop on AliExpress is because of the free shipping, right? Because it's so available over there. But sometimes when you add that little cost, you kind of display a little bit more value than a free shipping offer.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.